travelling with your drones abroad, on holiday, or taking them on an airline. You need to check with the airline what their procedures are for lithium batteries. But we've travelled quite a lot with our drones, and we have a procedure that we follow that normally is acceptable to most of the airlines and the budget airlines. So what we're looking to do is to put all of our batteries, every battery, in a Lipo safe. So put them in your Lipo safe, store them in the Lipo safe, and put the Lipo safe in your hand luggage. That's what we do. And then also put the drone in your hand luggage and take them with you on board. Then when you get to your venue, double check before you leave, what the country, or if you're traveling abroad, to which country, what their policies with regard to drones. Some are very strict. Places like Singapore, Morocco do not like drones. So be very wary about traveling to places that are really anti-drone, and you need to double check that beforehand. But if you do go to another country and you go through customs, sometimes you'll be asked to look at the batteries. They'll look at the batteries and they'll say, what are they for? Will they power the drone on? Now, we never deep discharge our batteries before we go on a plane, or we go on holiday, or we go abroad. We leave about 2 bars, about 20-25% on the battery, because if we ever have to prove that the battery powers the drone, if the battery is completely dead, you can't show the customs that the drone is linked to the battery. Whereas if the battery's got 20-25%, you can put the battery in the drone, you can power the drone on, it'll fire away, and that can prove to customs that the battery is attached and related to the drone. So that's what we recommend. Leave the batteries charged to 20-25% on average, put the batteries in a Lipo safe, put the batteries in your hand luggage, and put the drone in your hand luggage. Now, you will need to double check, again, a health warning with all of the airlines that you're travelling with, because policies do change depending on what's happened. But at the moment, that is our policy with regard to taking drones on aircraft.
If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel, or watch the next video in the playlist, or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded.
Bye for now.